Did you miss me? I have a sinus infection and I just need to put a drill right here just to relieve some of that pressure. My head's about to explode. We are now here to do the left and right piece of the fender. Isn't it crazy? Like, this is a fender right here. This is what a fender looks like. So this is gonna go right here, like just like that, similar to that. And I made a template of this guy right here, which is just beautiful cardboard and some hot glue. Doesn't everyone use cardboard and hot glue to build their car? Okay, right? So look, hold on. Okay, so now that I have this bolted in, the idea is we're gonna be taking this. This is a template that I did for just a rough idea of how this is gonna look, and so that's gonna bolt up just like so. I made my bolt marks, right, and they already fit straight in just like that. This is gonna press in like so, and that's gonna be what it's gonna look like, except this is obviously gonna be done out of carbon. But first we gotta make another template because this one is just not gonna, this one's not gonna fly. It doesn't do what I need it to do. So without further ado, let's template.
With Amazon Kids Plus on Echo. Free.
Alright, I'm now just going to take a little bit of black paint, dab it on top of each of the little pieces of clay. That way when I put down the template, it'll take the mark of the holes. We got the bolt patterns down. Now it's time to do the side.
Amazon renewed. You. Together. Alexa, stop.
We are finally ready to tape this up to get the mold ready. Let's do it. That is one done, and we are now ready for resin tape. Woo! One is done. Let me get the other one done, and we're ready for carbon. It is done. I'm exhausted. Are you ready to see how this finally came out? Yeah, baby! Oh, it's gorgeous! It's beautiful! Oh, I'm obsessed. Whoop! Oh my gosh. That is beautiful! It's now time to make the mounting bracket that is going to sit right in here. It's going to be a nice little L bracket like this, and that's going to butt up to this. Oh, beauty. I love carbon. I really do. We're bolted up. This has been a very long episode, so I'm gonna cut it here. I am just prepping now the other fender, which is this one right here, to go and get its gloss coat, which is gonna be the finishing coat for it, as well as the top, which I am gonna put a layer of spread toe carbon over it, so that's gonna be the finisher. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.